Hello friends, welcome to another lesson. Today we are going to learn how to create a lookup and master relationship in Lightning Experience. So let's go to our org, and in this example we are going to use create a book history histories. So I just to show you, I create book history name. It is automatically will be populated, and then issue date and return date. For this, now I am going to to create first example. We are going to use students and books are many and students is one. Like when we create lookup relationship, it is mostly one to many. So in this example, a student can have more than one book, but book cannot have more than one student, so they must return. So what we are going to do, we will lookup relationship field will be created into book object, and then it will be visible also in students records will be automatically pop up in the book. So lookup is a loose, it is not that tight like a master relationship. If you erase or you delete student, then the book's record still will be there. Now let's go and create a lookup relationship in book. We go to our book object and then fill relationship and new. As you can see, lookup relationship creates a relationship that links this object to another. The relationship fields allow users to click on lookup icon to select a value from a pop-up list. The other object in the source of values in the list. Let's select it. So what is related object is student. If we don't have student, yeah, we have, and then go, and then we can have field name student, and child relationship is very important. In the coming videos we can ask, you see, and then here it is okay. You can write description and have text as you wish, and this will be in book layout, and related list book label is book, so you can change if you want. Now I have created, let's update it and go to my object book and create a book demo 14 12 something or 13, and book price is 50. Discount we are not entering right now. As you can see, I have recent students, but if you have name like book 14 or less, enter 12, is something will come now. So you have to enter the name BK and then 0010. And this is actually book number, sorry. So students, there are currently here we have 2 students here. I am going to select one of them and click. As you can see, this book is my outer discount. Go to related, Where is student? Student is here, and we select 2. As you can see, this student have this it came. So this B0 student, this student, he took this book. And then if you go to book, and then which book we select, was it this, demo 13, the created author, technical name, book name. It actually is supposed to be here. Book name, author, availability. Now it came. As you can see, in our list, this student took this book. But book BK, 0015 is with this student. Now, as you can see, and then if you go to student 2 and then related, then as you can see, related object appears in this part. So this is lookup relationship. Now let's go to master the relationship. Now we are going to create a master relationship between book history and book. But in this case, master relationship are more tighter. So book is one and history, one book can be given to many students. They have more than one story. So again, we will create our master relationship in many site. So let's go to our org and then go to book history object and then relationship, new, and then master. So this part is important. You just shouldn't pass this part. It's really important. Create a special type of parent-child relationship between this object. The child is detail, sometimes child, sometimes we call detail, parent or master. So parent, master is same. Like if you're a child, it is parent, detail with master. The relationship field is required on the detail records, and relationship field is required on the detail records. We create on history, it is required. The ownership and sharing of detail record are determined by the master object. When a user deletes the master record, all the detail records are deleted. This is very important. In lookup, it will not be deleted, but in master, it will. You can create roll-up summary field on the master record to summarize detail records. Yes, you can create a roll-up summary on master, but on master field on the master record to summarize the detail records. So you cannot create a lookup summary in lookup. So the relationship will allow user to click on a lookup icon. This is similar like lookup. And then now we can go back and then create. Go to next, and related object is book, and then field name is book history, and read write, of course, and allow reparenting. Child records can be reparented to other parents after they are created. This can be, if when we are creating, we can reparent them. You can select, and then visible, of course, You can change the name, but to keep it same, let's unsave it. As you can see, master detail, it is created in book history. And then let's go to book history and wait for a little time. And then you see issue date. You see it appear, right? Issue date, it is 16, return date is 1 week, and then you see book's name, they came. This book 15, not 15, let's select 14. As you can see, my master relationship, it is created. Look at this now. If what happens, for example, in I am going to erase one of student. If I erase student, then let's see what will happen to the this book 15. Let's see. I am going to erase, delete. Student went, but go to books, and book 15 is here. It didn't. Well, it was not deleted. But now what I'm going to do, I gave this book to that student, right? This book history 1. I'm going to erase this one, and then let's see what happens. You see, my book history went also, was deleted, because this is the major difference between relationship, master relationship and lookup relationship. In master, if you erase, in master relationship, if you erase the book history, related book history will be deleted. But means like, for example, imagine a pregnant mom. If mom dies, then child dies. But if this student book relationship, it is tight, like when she gave birth, then the mother, father, they are independent. So if something happens to mother, they are now independent, almost like they, yes, have relationship, but it is tight. Like they go separate, or they have bad relationship. Sometimes they, the son runs away. So this is like an example to keep in your mind. Thank you very much. I hope you understood something new.